present to you GREAT2S by GRT. The system for this device is 3D ground scan system and discrimination system. The depth for this device is 15 meters depth underground. This device has 2 years warranty. Now guys, I'm going to show you the parts and accessories and how to work with this GREAT2S device. First, we have here. By the way, this is the mount for the tablet. You can attach and remove this. And also, this is the handle. You can turn off the device by turning it off here. And also the button for scanning. And this is the shaft included with the sensor. You can make it longer and shorter. Okay. Then also, this one is the wire, for the USB wire for the going to tablet. We have tablet here. We have connector. And also the bag for the device. Now guys, we're going to work for the GREAT2S device. As you can see, I will choose GREAT2S. Next. Then connect the USB. As you can see, there is a system, 3D ground scan and discrimination system. First, we're going to choose 3D ground scan. Waiting for loading. And now you have to turn this on and we will do the scanning. Now guys, we're going to do the 3D scanning. As you can see, you have to make it 2 centimeter. And then every time you scan, every step, you have to press this button. Don't hold it, okay? Now I'm going to scan. Okay. Okay, you can do parallel or zigzag. I'm doing the zigzag now. Okay, we're done scanning. Yeah. Now guys, as you can see, we already scanned. We're done scanning. As you can see, the color blue is just an empty space, okay, or a cavity. The color green is the ground or soil. The color yellow is a signal for the metal, and also the color orange is just it is the mixed metal. And also sometimes if there is this device scan color red, it means it's gold or non-ferrous. Okay, and also you will know the width and length. Now we're going to check for the width from 0 to 270 centimeter, and now the length. Okay, from 0 to 300 centimeter. Okay, and also if you want to know the depth, you have to put it on 3D. Okay, on 3D you will see the depth. You have to press this. Okay, go to the 0 and then press minus until to the bottom. So you will know the depth for the scan. As you can see, it's 1,230 centimeter. So that's the depth for the image or the one that you scanned. Okay, that's how we work for the 3D imaging system. Now guys, we're going to work for the discrimination system. As you can see, 2 centimeter again on the ground, and then you have to hold this while scanning. Okay, now I'm going to choose discrimination. I will start scanning. Moving forward. As you can see, the color blue is just a cavity. Color green is ground. Yellow is the signal for the metal. Also, cavity. It's just a space there. Yellow and green. And also, if this device can search for the color orange, it's mixed metal. And for the color red, it's gold or non-ferrous metal. That's how we work for the discrimination system. Now guys, I'm done showing to you the parts and accessories and how to work with this GREAT2S device. Please follow us in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube channel.